Can you use harmonic minor scale in blues progression? The short answer is yes, but time for school. First of all, we're going to look at the blues progression, which is 1-4-5 basic blues progressions, 1-7, 4-7, and 5-7. For this instance, I'm going to choose the people's key, which is in the key of A7, D7, and E dominant 7. All these dominant 7 chords, they are the 5 of certain major scales. And also they are the 5 of some harmonic minor scales. Take it for example, the A dominant 7. It's a 5 of D major scale and also D harmonic minor scale. Same goes for D dominant 7 chord. It's a 5 of G major scale and G harmonic minor scale. E dominant 7 chords, the 5 of A major scales and also A harmonic minor scale, right? So again, I'm gonna, if you're following me, don't get confused. Let's say I'm playing A dominant 7 chords. A dominant 7 chords, the 5 of D harmonic minor, so I'm gonna play D harmonic minor scale. Right? Yeah, so same goes for the other 2 chords. My advice is do not use excessively, but use according to chord changes, but don't use excessively because we still want to retain the blues essence to it. For practice purposes, yes, just to get your fingers, to get the scales under your fingers, yeah, why not? But for improvisation or performance, I would suggest use yeah, just don't use excessively, right? So maybe during transitions from A dominant 7 chord to D dominant 7 chords, from that period of maybe 1 bar of A7 going into D7, use D harmonic minor scale for that one particular bar before going into D dominant 7 chord, which is you can use G harmonic minor scale. But again, keep the blues essence in there to spicing up. Maybe you get bored of pentatonic scale or blues scale, but so you want to spice this up, yes, you can use the harmonic minor scale. All right, so that's it. So take care and keep on improvising.